right, so this company name is Cora, and they sent me some press-on nails, and we are going to be doing another thing of press-on nails. And they asked me to choose up to, I believe it was 7 different styles of press-on nails. So I will be showing you the press-on nails, and then we will be doing picking out one of the sets and doing that. So this first package, I'm not sure what it is. I believe it was a free gift, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I believe it's the nail glue. So in that package, you do get, oh, so it's nail glue remover. So you do get a guide, a starting guide on how to use the glue. So it tells you how to use it. It tells you the features. It gives you tips, warm tips, and that's it. It feels like the book feels, I mean, the manual feels a little bit thicker. But yeah, you are more than welcome to pause the video if you would like to take a look at the directions. Okay, so I guess like when you have the nail glue, you just put this on and it helps you to remove the press-on nails. Oh snap! She's hanging out like, hey, I'm in here. So you also get a cuticle stick to help you take off the press-on, to help you take off the press-on nails. All right, so this first package we are going to open and see what's inside of here. All right, so it does give you the same. Oh, actually, this gives you the direction on the press-on nails, like a quick little guide, and it tells you how to prep and everything. It tells you what's included in the product. It tells you how to use it one way, and then it tells you how to use it another way, and it also tells you how to remove it. And then on here it tells you give you direction on how to remove it with the remove nail glue, and it also gives you another set of warm tips. Okay. All right, so here is one of the, I have it upside down. Do I have it upside down? Yeah, I don't know. But this is what the package looks like. So they did reach out to me and asked me to give them the size of my nails. And they asked me to pick out a style that I liked. And it comes in this cute little package, and it's very sturdy. And it gives you like instructions on the company. It says Betty Cora is a professional press-on nail art brand with an industry leading nail manufacturer. All of our nails are the trending designs, and we work hard to innovate more high quality press-on nails in the market. Through our product, we hope to inspire more girls' confidence and courage. Finally, we appreciate all of the time and effort you're making this order possible. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any unpleasant experience. We will do our utmost to resolve them. And then it gives you the customer service email, and it just says the Betty Cora customer service team. All right, so we're going to try to open it. Oh, so this is on the underside. All right, so here is the design that I did, the first design that I did pick out. I will leave their information in the description box down below if you are interested in purchasing any of their press-on nails. They do have a lot of styles that you can choose from. They also have long nails, they also have short nails, coffin, square, all that good stuff. So in the package you do get a prep kit, which includes some alcohol pad, a file, and a cuticle, well, a wooden stick is what they call it. You also get some nail tabs. You also get nail glue. And as you already know, you also get a starting guide on how to put on the press-on nails. All right, so this is the first set that I chose, and I just need to figure out how to open it. Oh, okay, but it is upside down. So that is too cute, too cute. And I also chose this one and this one as well. This is like more like cat eye. And then I did choose these. This one is really cute. This is my favorite. I think we're going to choose this one to put on. So these are the ones that I had to give them my nail size. And they also have the ones where, you know, it all come in this package like that, and you just choose your own size. And it does come with 24 reusable ones, and I believe in these packs you also get the same thing. You get a manual, the alcohol pad, yeah, you do, and the sticks and the instructions and everything. All right, and I also chose these. All right, guys, which one? They all are so fabulous. I think I'm gonna go with these. So we're gonna put on these, but I'm only gonna put it on one hand. Okay, so I'm not gonna do the prep because I do have a peel-off base on. I just hope that they fit. And they do, guys. Look at that. It is so cute. Oh my god, that is so cute. I am in love. Ah. So I'm just going to take all of these off of the pad. So I'm not sure if I have a discount code, but if I do have a discount code, I will definitely leave that on the screen just in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of the press-ons. Okay, so I am going to be using their nail glue to put on the nails. All right, so the inside is etched out already, like a rough patch, so you don't really have to edge it out to make it stay longer. So I'm going to go ahead and put a dab of the glue on my nail, and I'm going to put a little bit on the tip. And we're going to go ahead and put her on and look and press her down just a little bit.
Keep it going.
And there she goes. Yay! So I'm going to go ahead and do all of that to the rest of the nails. Guys, I need to stop smacking my lips, but this is how she is looking. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. I love. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some cuticle oil, and that will be the end of the video. And if you are, thank you so much for tuning in. I know was a pretty short video. Like I said, I will leave everything in the description box down below if you are interested in purchasing any of their press-on nails. And this is Betty Cora, and I want to say thank you so much, Betty Cora, for sending out these beautiful press-on nails. And thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That word is just so hard to say. I feel like it's a tongue twister. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you all on my next one. Until then.